Hello, trader. If you enjoy trading using Fibonacci retracement signals, you likely want to catch price reactions and signals when they hit those key levels. However, manually drawing Fibonacci levels can be quite time-consuming. You might already be familiar with Zephyrus Force, a system that uses Fibonacci retracement levels to generate signals. So how can you fully maximize its power in your trading? First, we'll place trades on NQ using a 100-tick chart. We'll tweak a few settings in Zephyrus Force. With this system, you can freely adjust the minimum and maximum Fibonacci retracement levels to confirm when the price hits them. We suggest setting it between 50, 78.2%, as this range is ideal for generating pullback signals. However, if you're a trader looking to catch early entry signals and don't want to miss out on short-term opportunities, you might choose levels between 38.2, 78.2%. Just keep in mind that 38.2% is a relatively weak Fibonacci level, so consider that before adjusting. Next, we'll take a trade in a downtrend. As we've set it up, the system will create a Fibonacci zone between 50, 78.2% to confirm the pullback signal. Once the Fib signal is formed, we'll place a sell order, set the stop just above the cloud, and place the target at the nearest support level generated by the system. You can place an additional order when the Fib signal reappears to strengthen your position and boost potential profits. Move your stop as the cloud above shifts to minimize risk during the trade. Similarly, when the next Fib signal appears, we'll place two sell orders and set targets at the two nearest support levels provided by the system. Since this signal occurs right at the cloud, we'll set the stop at the 78.2 Fibonacci level. This level serves as a strong resistance, so it's a good place for the stop. A tip for you. Trade with the first 2-3 Fib signals and focus on those appearing at the beginning of a trend. Avoid trading signals that appear too far from the trend's formation, as the likelihood of a trend reversal increases. Next, let's look at the PA signal, a strong pullback signal based on price action. This is an extremely powerful signal, especially when it appears early in a trend. It relies on cloud bands, resistance, and support to generate the signal. When the price touches two cloud bands and forms a reversal candle, the system will confirm the trade signal. For this signal, you can set a higher RR ratio to maximize profits. For a buy order, place the stop below the lower cloud band or beneath the signal candle. Similarly, for a sell signal, set a higher RR ratio to maximize profits. Place the stop above the upper cloud band or above the signal candle. You can place the stop above the upper cloud band. Next, let's dive into a fascinating aspect, especially for scalping traders, using the system's trailing stop to execute trades. When these dots appear, it's a signal to move your stop. Adjust your stop according to these dots. Continue placing trades based on the signals recommended by Zephyrus Force, and adjust your stop accordingly. Similarly, for buy orders, move the stop when the dots appear. Adjust the stop accordingly. Another way to identify trend weakness is to watch the range between the two clouds. The price typically moves within the boundaries of these clouds. If the clouds show signs of narrowing at both the upper and lower bounds, it indicates that selling pressure is diminishing and a trend reversal is likely. In an uptrend, if the clouds begin to narrow their range, it indicates that buying pressure is weakening and the clouds are closing in. When the clouds show signs of narrowing, be prepared for a potential trend reversal. Finally, a key tip when trading with Zephyrus Force is to pay attention to the signal preceding the one you're about to act on. For example, in a downtrend, current sell signals should appear at lower levels compared to the previous sell signals. This approach helps ensure that the bearish momentum is still intact. After pullbacks, if sell signals continue to be lower than the previous ones, it confirms that the price is still forming a downward structure. You can see that when a current sell signal is higher than the previous sell signal, the likelihood of a failure increases. Similarly, for opening buy orders, focus on current signals that are higher than the most recent ones. This indicates that the uptrend still has strong momentum and the price remains within an upward structure. And when a subsequent buy signal appears at a lower position in an uptrend, the likelihood of failure increases. In this video, we've guided you through the full power of Zephyrus Force. This is a robust system that works across all bar types and time frames. We're also celebrating Renko King's 5-year anniversary. Over these 5 years, we've witnessed the growth of Renko Kings, and this is our first ever 5th anniversary celebration for the brand. To mark this special event and show our appreciation for your support throughout Renko King's journey, we're offering an unprecedented sale. 55% off on all products at RenkoKings.com. 50% off on all products at ninza.co. Don't miss this opportunity to save and get the products you want. The sale runs until September 20th. Finally, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, follow, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a successful trading journey.